So this paper is microcontroller and Python programming, and this is what is your syllabus. What is syllabus? First chapter is introduction to microcontroller. First of all, you guys are like new to this syllabus. You should know what is microcontroller. That is why the first chapter is all about introduction. Secondly, there is a brief concept about the Arduino. Arduino is one kind of microcontroller, and we are going to study that Arduino in detail. Okay, what are the building blocks of Arduino? If you want to learn Arduino, if you want to use Arduino, then what the basic things we should be know, these are listed in the second chapter. The third chapter is about Python. Okay, Python is a programming language. If you want to program any electronic device or any robot or any other electronic thing, so you need to use some languages. There are multiple of language: C language, C++, Java, Python. So all these are like multiple languages are available there, out of which we are going to study Python in this course. All right, so there is an introduction to the Python, and then last chapter is about the Python functions, modules and packages. So there's advanced things which are included in the Python are about the chapter number 4. Okay, so this is all about our syllabus, and in today what we are going to do, today we are going to start with the first chapter, that is introduction to microcontroller. Okay, so this is what is your chapter number 1, introduction to Arduino. Okay, so first of all, microcontroller is what? It is a microcontroller is a device, or it is a circuit, or it is a IC which is going to control all the things. Okay, as its name indicate, the size of this circuit is micro. Micro means very small, and it is going to control other devices. Okay, if you see electronic devices in which you will observe there is a IC, okay, which will control every action which is happening inside that circuit, and that IC is called as a microcontroller IC. There are multiple types of microcontroller available in the market. Okay, 8051 IC, PIC IC, AVR IC, Arduino IC. So there are multiples of microcontroller available in the market depending on the application and depending on the other factors, that is cost, weight, height. So you need to choose or select whatever which you want. Okay, am I like clearly audible to all or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will directly start without wasting time. We'll start with the chapter only. First of all, we need to study about the Arduino. So I have told you Arduino is a kind of microcontroller. Okay, it is one of the type of microcontroller, and we have to study about Arduino, this particular microcontroller only. As I told you, there are multiples of microcontroller available, but out of those multiple, which microcontroller we are going to study, its name is Arduino. Okay. So in this chapter, we will learn about the different components on the Arduino board. So there is a board. Okay, Arduino board is available, and on that Arduino board there is a small IC is your microcontroller. Arduino board is not your microcontroller. On the microcontroller board or that programming board there is a IC. I will show you how that board looks like and what is the IC, what is the pin configuration of IC, which kind of IC is used. I'll tell all these things in detail, but try to understand that for if you are using Arduino is a programming board. Okay, on that programming board we have a microcontroller IC. Okay, so we will study the Arduino Uno. Again, in the Arduino, there are multiple types: Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega. There are multiple of types. Out of those multiple, here I'm going to tell you the deep or the detailed introduction about the Arduino Uno board, as it is very popular and it is widely used instead of other types of boards. Okay. If you're not getting any point, just interrupt me over there only. Okay. In addition, it is the best board to get started with the electronics and coding. So if you want to learn about electronics and if you want to learn about coding, so Arduino is the best option you have. Some boards look a bit different from the one given below, but most Arduinos have majority of the components in the common. It is dependent on the manufacturer. Okay, suppose there are two different companies who manufactures the Arduino. There will be a difference between the manufactured product of the company. Okay, but the basic components which are required on that Arduino board are similar. Arduino is a prototype platform, that is it is an open source software. Okay, now you need to understand that whenever we have a microcontroller, we need to tell that microcontroller ki how it is going to perform. Okay, suppose I am using a microcontroller to add two numbers. Okay, but I have to tell that microcontroller to do their job, add two numbers. Okay, मला असं सांगावं लागणार आहे मायक्रोकंट्रोलर की तू हे काम कर. And how I'm going to talk to the microcontroller? With the help of programming. Right, we have to write a program for addition of two numbers, that microcontroller will understand that program and it will perform action according to the program. All right. And if you want to program a microcontroller, you will need a software. Correct. Here in case of Arduino, the software is available and its name is also Arduino. Okay, Arduino hardware required Arduino software. Like प्रत्येक Arduino प्रत्येक microcontrollerचं वेगळं वेगळं software असतं. And in case of Arduino, we have a software whose name is Arduino. Okay, so that software is open source. What does that mean? That software you can download from internet without any licensing. Okay, you don't need any kind of license or you don't have to pay for the software. Okay, it is open source. Easily everybody can just download that software. That is why it is called as a open source software. Correct? It is easy to use hardware and software. Both the hardware and software both are very easy. I'll tell you how it functions. Once you get to know all the things, you will also find it very easy. It consists of a circuit board which can be programmed. As I told you, programming is what? It is giving instructions to the microcontroller. Program म्हणजे काय फार वेगळं नसतं. प्रोग्राम म्हणजे काय? मायक्रोकंट्रोलर त्याचं काम समजावून सांगणं. As microcontroller is not able to understand what I'm talking. बरोबर. लाईकवाईज कम्प्युटरला समजतं का मी काय करते? नो, आय हॅव टू गिव्ह द इनपुट. मी कीबोर्डवरून कीज प्रेस करणार किंवा माऊस वापरून मी एखादं फंक्शन सिलेक्ट करणार आहे. देन अँड देन ओनली युअर कम्प्युटर इज गोइंग टू गेट व्हॉट फंक्शन इट हॅव टू परफॉर्म. Correct. So similarly, in case of microcontroller, we need to tell the microcontroller to do its job. And how we are going to tell it? Through the programming. Okay. So a ready-made software called Arduino IDE. So I have told you Arduino जर तुम्हाला प्रोग्राम करायचा असेल तर you have a software which is called as a Arduino IDE. Now what is IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Okay, which is used to write and upload the computer code to the physical board. As you can see here, this is how your Arduino board looks like. This is the symbol. It is a trademark symbol. Arduino's symbol असा आहे. Okay, and this is how your Arduino board looks like. आणि ही जी काही आयसी तुम्हाला ब्लॅक कलरचे दिसते, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट युअर मायक्रोकंट्रोलर आयसी. Right? So with the help of this microcontroller, you can just do any job, any electronic device you can form. So I don't know how many of you have seen in our lab, we have that scrolling display. Okay, have you seen that scrolling display? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लॅब मध्ये आपल्याकडे एक स्क्रोलिंग डिस्प्ले आहे, खिडकीच्या वरती आपण लावलेला आहे वरती. पाहिला किती लोकांनी?
एलईडी मध्ये तो ना?
हा, एलईडी रेड कलरच्या एलईडीज मध्ये बनवलेला आहे स्क्रोलिंग डिस्प्ले.
हो, बघितलाय.
हा, सो दॅट एलईडी स्क्रोलिंग डिस्प्ले वॉज लाईक कंट्रोल्ड बाय दिस Arduino. त्याचं जे काही प्रोग्रामिंग केलंय ते Arduino मध्ये प्रोग्रामिंग केले. सो यू कॅन डू मल्टिपल ऑफ सच टास्क विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मायक्रोकंट्रोलर. ओके, नाव मी आता खूप Arduino म्हणते की नाव व्हॉट आर द की फीचर्स ऑफ दिस Arduino. आपण का वापरला पाहिजे, त्याचे काय फंक्शन्स आहेत, काय फीचर्स आहेत. Correct. The first thing is that Arduino boards are available. Arduino boards are able to read analog and digital input signal from different sensors and turn it into the output, such as activating a motor or turning on LED. Like you can just turn on or off LED. Connect the cloud to any other, connect the cloud or many other such actions. The next thing is that what I have to tell is, see, if we have any computer, if I want to measure like LM35 practical, I don't know किती लोकांनी केलं, but in that practical what we are doing, we are just having that physical quantity sensed by the sensor. Sensor is going to give that output to the operational amplifier. Operational amplifier is going to convert that physical signal into its equivalent electrical signal. Right? Now this all process is there. If you have analog input and if your device is not able to accept the analog input, what you have to do, you have to convert your analog into its equivalent digital. Correct? But in case of Arduino, no matter which kind of input you are applying, it is going to accept all kinds of input and it is going to produce the equivalent electrical output. So one thing is avoided in this. You don't have to use ADC or DAC here. Correct? You don't have to use ADC, that is analog to digital or digital to analog converter. We don't need here. Why? Because Arduino board itself can convert, or it can just accept all kinds of input, analog as well as digital. Correct? And it will perform a multiples of action. Which actions? Controlling a motor. म्हणजे काय? Activating motor. तुम्हाला जर मोटर ऑन करायची असेल, if you want to turn off the motor, if you want to increase the speed of motor, decrease the speed of motor, likewise such other applications. टर्निंग एलईडी ऑन ऑफ, एलईडी ऑन करायचा ऑफ करायचा, कनेक्ट टू द क्लाउड, जो काही डेटा तुम्ही ऍक्सेस करताय दॅट डेटा कॅन बी स्टोर्ड इन अ क्लाउड सिच्युएशन. Okay, so all such actions can be done with the help of microcontroller Arduino. Okay, the next, you can control your board function by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board via Arduino IDE. म्हणजे काय? So you can control all other things with the help of program. Correct? So whatever program you are going to write, according to the program, your microcontroller board is going to perform the actions. Unlike most previous programmable circuit board, Arduino does not need any extra piece of hardware. Now, apart from Arduino, there are multiple microcontroller available, and in all case of microcontrollers, you will need a intermediate hardware piece. ओके, म्हणजे तुम्ही प्रोग्राम लिहिता सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये, त्या सॉफ्टवेअरमधून प्रोग्राम तुम्हाला तुमच्या हार्डवेअरवर जेव्हा अपलोड करायचा असतो त्यावेळी इन बिटवीन तुम्हाला मध्ये एक दुसऱ्या डिव्हाइसची गरज पडते. Okay, but in case of Arduino, that middle device is not necessary. Directly from software to hardware, you can just send your program. Now try to understand the concept. You have a physical board. हा बोर्ड तुमच्या समोर आहे. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला सांगायचंय की ह्या बोर्डवर कुठेतरी एक एलईडी आहे, छोटासा एलईडी आहे, इथे बघा हा येलो कलरचा बसतो एसएमडी एलईडी आहे. ठीक आहे, सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू टर्न ऑन अँड ऑफ दॅट एलईडी, व्हॉट यू हॅव टू डू, तुम्हाला आधी प्रोग्राम लिहावा लागणार आहे. प्रोग्राम कुठे लिहिणार आपण? कम्प्युटरमध्ये प्रोग्राम टाईप करणार. आता प्रोग्राम कम्प्युटरमध्ये एलईडी बोर्डवर आहे, कसं काय दोघं सिंक होतील? तुम्हाला तो प्रोग्राम ह्या मायक्रो कंट्रोलमध्ये डंप करावा लागेल आधी. येस ऑर नो? तुम्हाला समजते का काय चाललंय?
हो मॅम. येस मॅम.
So you need to copy or you need to dump that program which is written in a computer on this hardware board. आता प्रोग्राम इकडे कॉपी करताना काय करावं लागेल? यू जस्ट नीड अ वायर. ओके, युएसबी वायर असते ना आपली, आपण लॅपटॉपला किंवा कम्प्युटरला युएसबी स्लॉट थ्रू कनेक्ट करतो, दॅट युएसबी वायर. अँड ऑन द अदर एंड ऑफ दॅट वायर यू विल नीड अ डी टाईप कनेक्टर. इथे दिसतं तुम्हाला हे कनेक्टर आहे. ह्या साईडने तुम्ही काय करू शकता? वायर तुमची इन्सर्ट करू शकता. ठीक आहे. So simple USB cable is required to dump a program from computer to hardware. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही काय करणार? तो तुमचा कोड इकडे डंप करणार. हा मायक्रो कंट्रोलर, दिस मायक्रो कंट्रोलर विल रीड द प्रोग्राम. काय लिहिलंय प्रोग्राम मध्ये तो वाचणार आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट इट विल परफॉर्म इट्स फंक्शन. तुम्हाला जनरल आयडिया कळाली का व्हॉट इज Arduino किंवा व्हॉट इज सॉफ्टवेअर, व्हॉट इज हार्डवेअर? येस? Or is there any doubt? You can just ask me. I know everything is new to you. That is why I'm going in detail. कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे किंवा हे कळालं नाही हे काय आहे किंवा हे कसं आहे? Anybody?
No, miss.
Okay, great. Moving forward. So as there are multiples of microcontroller available, why we need Arduino किंवा आपण का Arduino सिलेक्ट केला पाहिजे? Why Arduino? ठीक आहे. सो थँक्स टू इट्स सिम्पल अँड ॲक्सेसिबल युजर एक्सपिरियन्स. सो जे कोणी स्टुडंट्स प्रोजेक्ट करतात किंवा इंजिनिअरिंग स्टुडंट्स असतील, आपले BSc BCS स्टुडंट्स असतील, फॉर सच स्टुडंट्स आर द पीपल हु आर जस्ट लर्निंग द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स किंवा कोडिंग ते शिकतायत, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जस्ट शिकतायत, अशा लोकांसाठी फॉर सच पीपल दिस इज व्हेरी सिम्पल अँड ॲक्सेसिबल युजर एक्सपिरियन्स. ठीक आहे, easily by looking at board or just by reading the manual you will understand, okay, what is this pin, what is its function. You will be easily understand all these things. Simplicity is the key of Arduino. Okay, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and application. So right from basic application turning on and off LED, you can control your home automation. Okay, म्हणजे पूर्ण घराला तुम्ही एका छोट्या Arduino वरून कंट्रोल करू शकता. So this is what is the simple and a huge access of Arduino. Teacher and students use it to build low cost scientific instruments. आपण आता I don't remember actually, but okay, in first year you have made different projects, right? तुम्ही खूप सारे प्रोजेक्ट बनवले होते फर्स्ट इयरला. सो तसे छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स यू कॅन build with the help of microcontroller also to prove chemistry and physical principles. म्हणजे खूप सारा टेक्निक तुम्हाला प्रूव्ह करून दाखवायचे असतील. फिजिक्स मध्ये असतं, केमिस्ट्री मध्ये असतं की थेरॉटिकली वी आर सेइंग दिस थिंग, बट प्रॅक्टिकली असंच वर्क होतं का? टू प्रूव्ह दॅट यू कॅन जस्ट यूज Arduino, not only in electronics, in case of physics also, in case of chemistry also, in case of other different sectors also you can use this Arduino. Okay, next thing is that it is like very inexpensive. For like 300 or 350 to 400 you will easily get Arduino Uno board. Okay, in market in India right now, the price of one single Arduino board is about 350 to 400 rupees. Okay. After that, simple clear programming environment. It is very simple. The requirement is that you should be aware of basic knowledge of C language. Okay, once you like okay with the C language, तुम्हाला C language थोडीफार येत असेल तर it is easy for you to program this Arduino. All right. After that, open source and extensible software. Open source, as in I have told you that you don't need any kind of software, like you don't need to purchase this software. Okay, it is free of cost. तुम्हाला कुठल्या लायसन्सची किंवा कोणाला पैसे पे करण्याची गरज नाहीये. You can just go on internet, you can search for arduino.cc and you can just download software from there. Okay, so this is called as an open source software. Correct? After that, now see here. This is how your Arduino board actually looks like. All right. As you can see in the diagram, is the diagram is visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is how your actual Arduino looks like. त्याच्यामध्ये खूप सारे छोटे सेक्शन आहेत. We need to understand each and every section in detail. So काय केलं इकडे नंबर दिले ते. So what is this? याला इकडे एक नंबर दिलाय. What is this? नंबर दिलाय. Okay. So line by line we'll study each and every terminal. Okay. So first one, where is one in the diagram? This. Okay. So I have told you की तुम्हाला इथे काय करायचं, तुमची जी USB आहे, USB चं सेकंड टर्मिनल जे काय असणार आहे, that is of D type connector and you have to connect that D type connector at this point. Correct? So first one is your what? Power USB. USB is what? Can anybody knows the full form of USB? आपण खूपदा म्हणतो USB slot, USB cable. What is USB? Anybody? That is a universal serial bus. Okay, like try to remember it. We are like using USB in our day-to-day life. Mobile charging साठी आपण रोज वापरतो USB. Correct? What is USB? Universal charging, universal serial bus. Arduino board can be powered by using the USB cable from your computer. आता एक सिंपल गोष्ट आहे, तुम्हाला काय हवंय, एक USB. USB च्या एका साइडला काय, USB slot किंवा USB connector. On the other side, you need a D type connector. Correct? So this is how your power USB is going to work and we are going to connect that power USB here. आता पहिला प्रश्न पडतो की why to connect that power USB? Okay, because हा जो काही बोर्ड आहे, to turn on that board त्याला आपल्याला power supply द्यावा लागणार आहे. We have to give the power supply to the board. Correct? And how we are going to like give the power supply? Via this USB. What is the second function of this USB? Whatever code we are writing in a computer, that code can be dumped from computer to hardware with the help of USB. Correct? So there are two functions of power USB. First one, to power up the board. Second, to dump the code from computer to hardware. Correct? समझला? हाँ. Second one is your power or barrel jack. ठीक है, normal general power or barrel jack. I don't know how many of you have seen this. Okay. So if you like, what is the function of this power jack? That it is going to provide the supply from directly AC mains. Right? AC mains, if you don't have, like if you have AC mains, you can just connect that adapter at the AC mains and one terminal to the power jack. Okay. If you don't have AC mains, तुमच्याकडे AC सप्लाय अवेलेबल नाहीये, सपोज घरामध्ये तुमच्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नाहीये, फक्त तुमच्या लॅपटॉपला चार्जिंग आहे, then also you can just use this Arduino board. How? What is the main function of this board? This slot is to provide power supply to the board. Okay, it will directly convert your AC into DC and it will give to the supply to the board. If this AC, like if this jack is absent, then via USB also you can turn on your board. The next thing is that voltage regulator, 3 number. This. Okay, now there is a limitation of Arduino that it works on only 5 volt supply. 5 volt पेक्षा जास्त नको Arduino ला. Correct? So that is why we will need a 5 volt supply. Actually आपल्याकडे खूप जास्त सप्लाय अवेलेबल असतो, राईट? त्या जास्त सप्लायचं कन्व्हर्जन आपल्याला कशामध्ये करायचंय? We have to convert that supply into its equivalent 5 volt, and to convert that 5 volt we have a voltage regulator IC here. Okay, so that voltage regulator IC can convert, no matter how much amount of input you are going to apply, it will convert that input into 5 volt DC. Everybody understood the function of this voltage regulator? it, as its name indicate, voltage regulator, it is going to regulate the voltage. Correct. The simple example is that gas regulator. सगळ्यांनी बघितलंय गॅस रेग्युलेटर किंवा फॅन रेग्युलेटर. आपण फॅनचा स्पीड कमी जास्त करतो बाय युझिंग अ नॉब. तो नॉब आपण फिरवला की फॅनचा स्पीड चेंज होतो. सिमिलरली इथे आयसी काय करतो, इनपुट किती येऊ देत, 5 वोल्ट सांगितलं ना, इट इज गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दॅट व्होल्टेज इंटू 5 वोल्ट ओनली. ओके, समजलं व्होल्टेज रेग्युलेटरचं काम काय. The next one is your crystal oscillator. Where is crystal oscillator? See, this steel सारखं दिसतं ना तुम्हाला हे. So this is nothing but your crystal oscillator. Correct? Now what is the function of crystal oscillator? The crystal oscillator helps Arduino in dealing with the time issue. Correct? So crystal oscillator is going to provide the time related information to the Arduino. हाऊ डज Arduino कॅल्क्युलेट टाइम. आता सपोज मी सांगितलं की हा सकाळी 10 वाजल्यापासून रात्री 10 वाजेपर्यंत या गोष्टीची रीडिंग घे म्हणून. सो हाऊ डज Arduino नो अबाउट द टायमिंग की आता 10 वाजले ते संध्याकाळी 10 वाजलेत. सो द आन्सर इज बाय युझिंग दिस क्रिस्टल ऑसिलेटर. करेक्ट. द नंबर प्रिंटेड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द क्रिस्टल Arduino is 16.00H9H. It tells that the frequency is 16 megahertz. Okay. आता इकडे बघा, I don't know it is visible to you or no. SPK 1600G असं लिहिलंय याच्यावर. 1600G चा मीनिंग काय होतो की इट इज ऑफ 16 मेगाहर्ट्ज. आता ॲज द कंपनी चेंजेस और ॲज द मॅन्युफॅक्चरर चेंजेस दिस नेम इज डिफरंट बिकॉज क्रिस्टल ऑसिलेटर मॅन्युफॅक्चर करणाऱ्या खूप साऱ्या कंपनी आहेत आणि प्रत्येक कंपनीचं नाव वेगळं वेगळं असतं. तर नॉर्मल टूथपेस्ट काय असतं, कॉमन असतं, पण जी कंपनी टूथपेस्ट बनवते त्याच्यावर त्याचं नाव असतं. सिमिलरली क्रिस्टल ऑसिलेटर बनवणाऱ्या खूप कंपनीज आहेत. द कंपनी विच इज गोइंग टू मॅन्युफॅक्चर द क्रिस्टल ऑसिलेटर, इट विल प्रिंट इट्स नेम ऑन द क्रिस्टल. करेक्ट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज युअर Arduino Reset 5 and 17. See here, where is 5 and 17? So as you can see here, there are multiple small holes. ठीक आहे, इथे दिसतात का छोटे छोटे holes? Similarly, same holes are on this side also. Yes, so these are the inputs. तिथे तुम्ही कनेक्शन करू शकता. Correct. Now this 5 number pin, as you can see, this is reset, or there is a red button, is called as a reset. Reset कशासाठी वापरायचं? If we think that Arduino, आता आपण एक्सपेक्ट काहीतरी कोड डंप केला आपण Arduino मध्ये आणि तो कोड व्यवस्थित चालत नाही. दॅट इज वाय व्हॉट वी विल डू, वी विल जस्ट मेक चेंजेस इन अ कोड अँड वी विल अपलोड द सेकंड कोड. पण तरी पण तुमचा Arduino तुम्हाला प्रिव्हियस कोडचे आउटपुट देतोय. इन दॅट केस यू विल जस्ट रिसेट द Arduino. त्याच्यामधलं सगळं क्लिअर करायचं आणि परत पहिल्यापासून त्याला स्टार्ट करायचं. रिसेट. ओके, स्टार्ट युअर प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग. पहिल्यापासून परत सगळं व्यवस्थित चालू कर. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ Arduino रिसेट. ओके, सो लेस दॅन 1 minute इज लेफ्ट. वी विल जस्ट लाईक आता कधी मीटिंग बंद होईल तुमची. Is there anybody who is having doubt? We will see remaining things in the next lecture. Don't worry. Tomorrow itself we have a lecture and we will conduct lecture at that time. Okay? But is there anybody who is having doubt? कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे का?
No, ma'am.
Okay. We'll see remaining things in the next lecture. Okay?